Have you seen people using AI to create pictures like this, or even this? But when you try it, you either get a weird melted doll face, or you get this message. Well, don't worry, I've got you. In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to skip all the prompting, bypass any content errors, and turn a selfie into a full-blown action figure or Ghibli painting for free. Ghibli? Is Ghibli how you say it? Anyway, let's get into it. Step 1, click the link in the description. That'll take you to Toymaker Studio. It's a custom AI. It's completely free. Step 2, whether in the app or browser, just click the plus button and upload a picture. It could be a selfie or a full body picture, doesn't matter. And then you could just be specific and say, turn me into an action figure. From there, you're going to be asked what kind of toy you want to make. Then you can also specify the actual outfit, so what colors or accessories the toy is going to be wearing. And now this AI is preloaded with all the prompts you need for basically any toy you want to make, and it's set up to bypass any copyright restrictions. So it will generate the prompt for you, and then you can refine it any way you want. If you want to change the colors, that's totally cool. Now within that same chat, I'm just going to upload another photo, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask it to turn me into a Barbie doll, a Ken doll. Cool, and that works really well. I'm happy with it, but I don't really like the accessories, so I'm just going to ask it to change them. And I have a little pug as well, so I'm going to ask it to include my pug dog. And that's interesting, it's got all of my accessories except the pug, so I'm just going to remind it to get the pug. You might have noticed that there was a lot of this Ghibli style art going around, but since it became popular, it's become a lot harder to generate these images, and you might get a pop-up like this. This AI can bypass that. I've set it up so that it can work around that, no worries. I'm going to drop an image of my family now, my wife, my kids, and me. And normally if you've got your kids in the photo, it won't work, but again, because we can bypass things, it is going to work. I'll just ask it to turn this image of me and my family into a Ghibli style work of art. And success, it has worked, but interestingly, because I'm in the same chat, it's actually added that poop from the pug into this image. To make sure that doesn't happen, just start a new conversation with the tool so that it's not trying to continue generating from the same chat history. And it's actually missed my tattoo that was in the image, so I'm just going to ask it to include my tattoo. And perfect, it's got my tattoo, which is awesome. You can see it there. But funnily enough, it's actually added my pug into this photo. So remember the pug I was trying to generate earlier? It's popped up here. So again, just start a new chat if you're having any issues like that. Just some quick troubleshooting tips. Sometimes if you're using the ChatGPT app, so on your phone, it will come up with these content warnings. But then if you jump into the browser, it doesn't have those issues. Also, it may block you if you say Barbie or Mattel or a specific product name. Now, this AI is set up to sort that out for you, so you should be able to bypass that. But just in case, if you are having issues, just try changing your wording a little bit. That's it. I can't wait to see your creations. Make sure you tag me and send them to me. I'm also on Instagram as @KiwiDad. If you want more free tools like this that help make AI easy, then please consider hitting subscribe. I'm giving away freebies all the time, so it's worth tuning in. All right, catch ya.